This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system, equipment that can quickly warn you during an emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a civil disaster, or other emergency, official messages would have followed. WTLR serves Center County in the State College operational area. WQJU serves Juniata County, also in the State College operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well, good morning. My name is Sam Dye. Let's look at the forecast for today.
Clouds and sun, not as cold.
Agency Harrisburg. This is only a test.